A Blade 230. Yeah, this is the way I'd apply it. Figure eights, circles.
Yeah, like this.
Maybe a little inverted once in a while.
That's my brain. Yeah, the most inverted I do. I'll do that.
A loop is good.
That's about where I'm comfy right now.
I'm good with that. Still pretty good. Huh? You have to get the big one. One of the guys at the club's got one that's the props are about the size of your plane. Each one. It must be, it's like 3 feet long from end to end.
Is it a blade?
Yeah. And then he cuts the grass with it. Not really, I mean, it just means he's down low.
Yeah.
He'll go from that flight there to flipping, almost hitting the ground and coming back out. I don't think he's ever hit it.
Like the ones with the scale bodies, like the military style.
Oh.
Fly scale and stuff. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Like through trees, maybe.
Around there, yeah, that'd be kind of fun.
If I was close to it, I would.
See, I should have brought if I brought the drone, I could have followed it. As long as you didn't turn on it a dime, because that'd be too close.
Every now and then I'll try and stay upside down.
Yeah, but that's alright, I'm not expecting you to. Whoa. Uh-oh.
Thank you.
You got it back?
Yep. That's why I love safe on these.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That would have just plowed into a million people.
That would not have been fun. Well, that was the same with the little quitty thing there. I just flew. That wind was kind of wacko over there. I couldn't see the orientation with it being in the tree either. For my eyes, at the sun, and well, it wasn't the sun so much, I guess, but maybe the sun closing my brightness, closing my iris, the iris, so I couldn't see well.
Yeah.
I'm glad you said you could see it. So when you hit safe, did it just go over behind us on purpose?
No, so safe, like I hit safe there, like it'll continue.
Oh, in that
whatever line
direction?
it is.
Oh, until you touch the sticks. Oh, okay.
No, like it'll just go level. But
Oh.
if I'm flying like this direction,
Yeah.
it's just gonna keep going that way.
Oh, okay.
So it helps you to like here, and there's safe right there. But I'm not touching the stick, so it'll just keep going. But
Wow.
at least it orients you
Yep.
to where you can save it.
Got it. I'm guessing you can't do that with that little tiny one you showed me.
One of them you can, yeah.
Oh.
It's collected.
Oh, the collective one, yeah. You said the other was fixed, that's right.
And this one you can switch modes, like fly it like a fix,
Oh,
or for learning.
yeah.
I'm gonna land back on the driveway.
Okay.
I've had tail rotors fly apart.
On the
blade of grass.
Ah. Oh, I see what you're saying. So it's a little bit like a drone in that sense. Although drones tend not to break their prop. I haven't broken one yet landing.